What's up, YouTube? Coming back at you from the Shadow Realm. Now, I know it's been a long time coming since I've actually made a video, and I'm sorry for that. It's been a long year. I ended up crashing my Q50. Words will not explain how I feel about that, but I ended up getting another project car, and I'm gonna hope you guys love it as much as I do, because there's a little bit more work you gotta put into this thing other than the other cars that I've had. So there will be a lot more content coming to you guys, but I'm gonna show you guys what it is. Sheesh. We got a Honda Civic EG hatch. It's a 94 EG hatch. There's literally nothing inside of this thing. Oh fuck, door's locked. No. I'm going over to the other side. What are words? Ignore the sniffles. It's really cold outside. If I open the garage, there's gonna be some snow on the floor. But like I said, there's nothing inside of this car, including a motor, which I'm gonna show you guys in 2 seconds. But as I come over here, carbon fiber hood. Now I'm probably gonna end up posting this hood on Marketplace because I really don't care for the quick release when there's already a latch. But yeah, we got a couple things we got to do. As you can see, there's no motor inside the car, but on top of there not being a motor inside the car, you can clearly see that the interior of the engine bay is red. Now my plan is get rid of all that crap that's in there and paint match this blue, because we want to have a fully paint matched vehicle. Now the interior, like I said, doesn't have anything in it, and I don't know whether I want to paint the interior or if I want to just put a rug over it. But we're gonna start off today, chat, taking out a little bit of what's inside of the engine bay. So taking off this hood, because I had it off earlier, but it was gonna snow, so I put it back. But yeah, we're gonna take out a couple of this stuff and then end off the video. I don't really know whether I'm gonna keep showing you guys me doing the work, or if I'll just do it in the background and then come back when it's actually finished, or at least at the bigger pieces. But let me know it down in the comments. Let me know whether you guys want me to see you. Let me know if you guys want to see me do the work. But I got the engine over here. Yeah, let's get right into it. So now, the one question that I do have for myself is whether or not I'm gonna run no hood, or if I just keep that hood because there's already holes in it and actually put a up pipe inside of it. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see. But before I take out the AC lines, because that's another situation that I want to figure out, is whether or not I want to make this a street car and put AC in the shit, because it does get rid of a little bit of power because it spins off the motor. So I don't know what I'm going to do for that. We'll figure that out within the next video, I guess. But before I take out the AC lines, we're going to have to take out the battery tray. So I gotta figure out which size that is. So let's get right down into that. So I ended up taking a lot of this stuff apart. This episode. Now, what I want to do is I want to buy a couple Ziploc bags just so I can organize a lot of these clips and a lot of these stuff that needs to be put back in the car. There's really not much that going back in because, as I noticed, this whole line from here all the way down to these individual plumbings, that's actually the AC. So I don't know if I'm really putting this back in the car, considering this is a full race car. It will not be driven every day. I'm gonna end up probably taking it all out. And for me to actually even go further, I'm gonna have to take out the lines that go under the actual chassis, and I really don't feel like doing that right now. We're gonna actually end up probably next episode doing that. I think what I might do is just finish off taking out this bumper, because I believe I should be able to take the bumper off. 1, 2, it should be one clip under this fender well right here, and one more over here. But that's probably gonna end off the episode. I'm not gonna do it over on the video. I'm probably just gonna do it and then come back next time. But let me know down in the comments if you guys want me to actually show you guys the work that I'm doing, or just the bigger stuff like putting the motor in and getting it running. Let me know what you guys want me to want to see down in the comments. But yeah,